If you are serious about getting in touch with your core operating system, which is of psychic intuition, to get in alignment with everything that you want in life, remind yourself of this, moment by moment if you have to. What you see in others is a reflection of your shadow and what things that you still need to work on. What you see in others, judgment-wise, okay, is just a reflection of what shadow and what aspects of yourself you're still rejecting and that you still have issues with and need to integrate. So I thought of an example using myself. When I'm driving, because I tend to do this a lot, it is a part of my shadow. When I'm driving, if I'm perceiving someone as a stupid idiot and a asshole, I'm not actually seeing those people. I'm talking about aspects of myself that I still cast judgment on and that I still have not integrated and that I am not at peace with. It is not the other person's problem. It is not their driving. It is me rejecting a part of myself. Me calling myself an asshole and a stupid idiot, not the other person. If you're truly in alignment and happy with yourself all the time, which is not possible, so don't get it twisted. You can almost get there, but you're having a human experience. And the human experience is flawed. It's always going to be that way. It's the human experience. That's what it is. So give yourself some grace. And, I like being an asshole sometimes. There's that too. And that's part of integration. That's part of accepting who you are and your power. You don't have to get rid of these things and reject them. That's like actually the absolute opposite of what you should be doing. You don't reject these parts of yourself. You find acceptance for these parts of yourself. You find love for these parts of yourself. It's called integration. You're integrating the outcasted parts of yourself due to conditioning and due to your upbringing that you have been told are wrong about you, which is bullshit. Nobody knows anything about you. You are who knows you. You are your expert. Nobody can tell you shit about you. And if they try to, you need to redirect them back to their self. You are your own worst critic. But if you are serious about this growth, just try this on. Instead of projecting your anger and your judgment onto others, redirect it back to yourself. And know that what you're saying, you're actually saying it to yourself. And it's the way that spirit shows you what you need to be working on or what you need to integrate. And it's actually a blessing. It's like the least evasive way and the least destructive way that we could be given this information. I mean, if you really think about it. All right. That was my talk for the day. Have a beautiful day.